Alright guys, in today's video we will be building something actually from our backyard. Okay, last time I was just showing y'all. Alright, but we are gonna build a fort out of bamboo. So, real quick, I'm just gonna go over here. Grab this. This is the only thing I should need. Not gonna lie, this is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna speed this part up.
Bruh.
Alright, so we're getting out. Yeah, it kind of, just like, I don't know. I might have fell and hit when I was on the ladder. But anyway, I'm gonna redo it, but I'm gonna fast forward this part. So actually, I'm gonna just change up ideas. I'm just gonna make a little tent big enough for me to sleep in. Because if we get 100 subscribers, yeah, I know it's only a little bit. I will actually sleep in here. Oh my. Alright. Sleep in here.